How to install ThinkRad motorcycle blind spot monitor. First of all, the package contains the motorcycle blind spot monitoring module, power cord, and adhesive pads. Connect the blind spot monitor power supply to the vehicle's 12 volts battery. So we need to find the location of the vehicle's battery. We need to find the ACC ignition start switch. Then we start wiring. Now you can see 3 lines, red, black, and yellow. The red wire needs to connect it with positive terminal. The black wire is connected to the negative terminal. The yellow wire is connected to the ACC signal wire that controls the vehicle start up and shut down. The red and black wires are connected. The yellow wire is next. Find the ACC control switch and connect it, usually in the vehicle's fuse box. This prevents the product and protects the battery. At this point, all the wiring is connected. Then start routing the wires and installing the blind spot monitoring module. Connect the blue connectors together, taking care to align the grooves inside the connectors. After installation, just restore all the components. Organize the harness and restore the seat cushion.